We're going to make some mini crustless vegetable quiches. First thing we're going to do is get everything mixed into that bowl. So I'm using half a cup of chopped onion and grated carrot. Some shredded spinach. It's some that we froze into little cubes so we can just defrost it anytime we want. Some baby spinach, some beet leaves, so that can all go in as well. I've also got some French beans and we've boiled those to soften them and then chopped them into really small pieces. Some shredded cabbage, and again we've given that a quick boil to soften it and then squeezed out any excess water. And to that I'm going to add 3 eggs. And then I'm going to add in some shredded strong cheese. And I'm going to give that all a quick mix. Try and get everything as equally combined as we can. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of garlic granules to that. A little salt, not too much. And a sprinkle of basil. We'll add some black pepper as well. And I've just got this baking tray and I've lightly greased each one. So we'll just portion this out best way we can. Well, that's the best I can do with them. So we'll pop them in oven, 180, for about 15 to 20 minutes and we'll just see how these come out. And there you go, 20 minutes later and that's what we've got. So we'll let these cool down and we'll get them on a plate. And I'd say they've come out really well. I'm really pleased with these. They've got lots of flavour and we know they're packed with goodness. So I'll definitely be making some more of these. If you want to see other vegetable recipes that we're going to be doing over coming months, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we look forward to seeing you then. Take care.